Okay, this experiment needs buckets, spades, some bricks, and of course, sand.
Huh. So what is the experiment?
They're going to test to see if they can build a sandcastle that's strong enough for bricks to stand on.
That sounds impossible.
Aha, but they've got a secret ingredient. Look,
What is it?
it's called oven mesh. It's usually used for cooking, but Evan and Rian are putting it in their sandcastle.
Now they're putting more in. But how does oven mesh help?
Well, in an ordinary sandcastle, water helps the grains of sand stick together. But wet sand still isn't very strong. The oven mesh gives the sand grains something to stick to, and that helps to make their sandcastles even stronger.
It looks like an ordinary sandcastle.
Yes, but with the secret ingredient. Time to test how strong it is with those bricks.
This is exciting! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh my gosh, what is broken? Yeah!
6 blocks. Well done, boys.
And now you know the secret ingredient for super strong sandcastles.